Why the whole place block off, we're not gonna get to see nothing. You see, that's why the best place for you watch them thing here, up on your TV, if you want to watch. See it? Police up, turn them back. See crowd out there. Police are turn them back. Oh, see them really go up there too. They're going up to the senator, but oh God.
I don't even see one.
So all them people around us, so we are joining the line. It don't even make no sense because it's now 10:30. 11 o'clock is where the silence go on. So you can't get to see anything. It's crowded, it's packed, and we can't get to see anything.
T'as vu le nombre de gens sélectionnés, je crois qu'il y a la moitié de la population.
Madam, sorry, the entrance is that side, not this way. Trying to get into the hotel from now, okay?
How them they up in the air there, you see? Them have authority to be up in the air. Must be one of the studio them. The BBC studio camera people them up in that. Under in the background.